Cranford Rose Garden. This garden opened in 1928, holds one of the largest collections of roses in North America with more than 1,000 species and cultivars. These beds showcase the history and diversity of the rose. All right. So here we are in the Cranford Rose Garden. This video, this portion might be a little shorter because I'm running out of room and space. So I'll try to give you the wide angle views. This is really gorgeous though. Yeah, this is a lot of different kind of roses here. Yeah, and this will be my final video for today at the Brooklyn Botanic Garden on Sunday, November 6, 2016. I think it's amazing that the roses are still in bloom, given it is November. It's just gorgeous here. This is really lovely. Hey, what more beautiful way to spend a quiet Sunday than at the Brooklyn Botanic Garden, enjoying the roses, the beautiful plants, bushes, trees, and all types of other foliage and beauty that you see here. I hope we can get a good view of everything. Roses were one of my mom's favorite flowers. She really loved roses, and she, like I said, my mother, Mabel Palmer, had a green thumb, and she was really excellent at growing roses. Roses and tulips, those were her two favorite flowers. Oops. Yeah. I wish my mother was still alive and that she could see this, you know. But I'm sure the roses in heaven are even more beautiful than the ones here. And you can see many families enjoying the park, or enjoying the Brooklyn Botanic Garden. Well, it's kind of like a park. Except for you can't play sports over here. You just come to look at the flowers and the plants and the trees and the foliage and enjoy everything and just spend a quiet time with your family or by yourself. The blooms left are really, really gorgeous. I hope I'm trying to get as many close-up views as I can, you know, so you can really see, you know, how things are here. We've had some pretty mild weather in New York. I think last week or 2 weeks ago it had gone all the way up to the 70s. Let's see if I bend down I can get some of these plants even better. Yeah. I can get a better view here of some of these plants. Okay, some of them are wilting, but that is to be expected. Oh, this is pretty. So I'm going to wind up with the with this rose garden here.